What is going on, guys, and welcome to Beamer League. In this video we're gonna knock out a pair of front wiper blades for my 2020 BMW X5 G series G05. So in this video I'm gonna be using a pair of BOSCH Icon wiper blades. They are 26 for size 26 for the driver's side and 20 for the passenger side. They do fit. I tested it out already. I'm just gonna show you again how it's done. It's real simple. If you don't want to pay at the dealer anywhere from 100 to 120 or more dollars just for a pair of wiper blades, you can pick these up on Amazon for $48. Especially they are on discount right now. I'll link it in the description to this video exactly where I got it from, but they are OEM, very good quality. I did my own research. I found it on BMW forums that people are recommending these wiper blades. They are very good for cold, hot conditions, so they are all-weather, extreme all-weather performance blades. Let me show you how it's done. It's real simple. All right, guys, so first off, you want to grab yourself a pair of gloves, because when you slide these things off, you can slice your fingers. Ask me how I know. So then what I do is grab yourself maybe a thick piece of paper towel or a microfiber rag, or I have this foamy piece. What I do is I raise these, and then so I don't scratch my hood right here, I put anything that will protect the hood paint from scratching. So I have this thing pointing up, and then there's a little piece right here. Let me show you real quick. There's a little button you have to press. I'm gonna show you to slide that out. So I typically use a screwdriver. You can use anything that will pry the thing, and just like that it comes out extremely easy. Then I'm gonna throw this on the ground. Don't scratch your paint. I'm gonna get my 26 larger side. This one, the bracket is a tiny bit different. Let me show you. The bracket is tiny bit different than the other blade, but don't worry about it, it will work perfectly. So just like that, you want to get this into the channel and then push it down just like the original was. See, it's fighting me a little bit, but nevertheless, I got that thing right back where the original was. And then I can go ahead and lower this one now and work on the passenger. All right, guys, so repeat the same thing on the passenger side. Again, I typically put something right there. You don't have to, whatever works easier for you. Just be careful with the paint. Remember that if you yank on it too hard, it could damage the paint on the hood. That one comes out that easy. My new one here, the passenger is actually easier because you have a better visibility. Where you're pushing this, boom, just like that. Take this piece out. Let's spray some water on it, see how they wipe. All right, guys, let's jump in and give these a little test wipe. Oh yeah. I'm not sure how it picks up on the video, but I can already tell they wipe beautifully. Not a smear left on this glass, guys. Beautiful wiper blades. They do the job super well, and also very much recommended from many people on this BMW forum. I trust the forums before I trust anything else, because people gain nothing from suggesting things on the forum. But I would ask you guys to give this video a thumbs up for this content that I very much like making for you guys. Hope you liked it. Till the next one. Peace.